Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Don from 1A Auto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And the next time you need a part for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front power window regulator on this 2006 Jeep Liberty. And we show you on the driver's side, but the passenger side is the same procedure. And it's the same part and process on these vehicles from 2002 to 2006. And the items you'll need for this is new window regulators from 1AAuto.com, flat blade screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and a 10mm socket and ratchet. If you drive a 2006 Jeep Liberty, it's important that before purchasing a new window regulator that you first locate your manufacturing date on your vehicle. The manufacturing date can be found on the inside of the driver's door, as you can see in this picture. And you'll notice on 1AAuto.com that we have two types of regulators for two different manufacturing dates. If yours was made after February of 2006, you're going to need the other regulator. Start off by prying out this little panel behind your door handle. Now remove this Phillips screw and this one down in your pole cup. And we'll just fast forward as Don does this. Now pull out around the door panel to release the clips. When you get to the top, pry the door panel out. And once the clip pops free, pull the door panel up and off. On the back of your door panel, you want to release the clip on your door handle rod and pull the door handle rod down and out. Then you want to push the tabs on both harnesses and release them. Now you want to remove the speaker. It's held in by these three Phillips screws. And we'll just fast forward as Don removes those. Once you remove all three bolts, pull the speaker forward, push on the tab on the harness, and disconnect it. And then just remove your water shield. And you want to just carefully peel that off the door and pull the harnesses and your door handle rod through it. And ours was a little bit easier because it had been removed before. Take your time not to damage it. Use a flat blade screwdriver and pry out these clips. And now push the window back and out of the regulator, and then push it up. And if your window's in a different location when it breaks, you do the same process wherever it's at and make sure your window's up and tape it up. Now loosen these three nuts. And then lift it up and push those studs through the holes. And now do the same thing for these three bolts on your motor. Now push the red clip on your power window motor. And then push the tab on the harness and pull it free. And we're just going to fast forward a little bit here as he works the regulator out of the window. You want to lift the regulator up to the top inside corner of the door and then feed it down through that hole. And take some time to maneuver it out.
On the left is the new window regulator from 1A Auto. On the right is the original. You can see that the new window regulator from 1A is just it is a little different, but it's going to bolt in and function and plug in exactly the same as the original.
Remove the three 10mm bolts from your old window motor bracket and put them into your new one. And you don't want to put them down all the way so that you can hang the motor back up onto the door. Loosen these three nuts on your window regulator. Now feed your window regulator back up into place. And then you want to just angle it so you can get your motor and your regulator back into place so you can hang them up. And put the bolts through the holes. And slide them down. And you want to do the same thing with the motor. And then we'll just fast forward as Don tightens all 6 of those bolts back up. Reconnect your motor harness and push that red clip back in. And remove the tape on your window. And carefully lower the window back down into the door. And you want to line up the studs on the window with the slots on the regulator. And once you have them lined up, just push the window back into the regulator. And we'll fast forward here as he puts the door handle rod, the lock, and the harnesses back through the water shield, and then pushes the water shield back into place. Reconnect your speaker and line it back up and replace those 3 bolts. And we'll fast forward as Don does this and tightens them up. Now to replace your door panel, push the harnesses back into place. Push the door handle rod back into place and reclip it. Then line your door panel up and push it down onto the windowsill and over that lock. Now make sure your clips are lined up and hit them in around the door panel. And we'll just fast forward here as Don replaces those 2 Phillips screws and replaces that little panel behind the door handle.
We hope this video helps you out. Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.